Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Volkswagen Touareg.
With
the Touareg, we're presenting our most sophisticated vehicle in terms of technology. It is the best the brand has to offer. It sets new standards with regard to the chassis, assistance systems, its operation, and the digital cockpit. It's 150 kilos lighter and very agile. We've already received very good reports in the press. This is something we can be proud of. From now on, this car is the measure of all things at the Volkswagen brand. The new Touareg. It leads the way into the future. Volkswagen sold about 1 million units of the first two models. Now comes the SUV's third generation. It is the first vehicle under the Volkswagen brand to be fitted with a cockpit of the future, the InnoVision cockpit. It's the next generation in terms of operation, infotainment and connectivity. It's freely configurable, similar to a smartphone. You can shift everything around the way you like it. You can assign your favorite functions to the function keys. The Touareg, a luxury sedan with the abilities of an off-roader, operating at the cutting edge of technology offered by the Volkswagen brand. It features an array of assistance systems and all-wheel steering for a small turn radius. China is the Touareg's most important market, so this premiere is a home game. It's actually the flagship model of the Volkswagen brand. We put everything we're capable of and everything we love about cars into this new Touareg. It can do much more than any Volkswagen before it. It really is the car in which Volkswagen engineers implemented all of their skills and aspirations. It's a vehicle we're extremely proud of. The Touareg is a milestone in Volkswagen's product and technology offensive. It is lighter than the previous generation, even though it's slightly bigger as well. And the exterior design is striking. Its facial expression is one of extreme pride and radiance. If you look at the car in terms of design language, you will recognize its beauty and timeless design. It's very sculptural with many new design features. It just looks really handsome and has an unbelievable presence. With the new Touareg, Volkswagen sets a new benchmark in the all-important SUV market. Networked and featuring the latest hard and software, it is ready to fulfill the wishes of its loyal fans and make new friends as an ambassador representing what Volkswagen is capable of, and as an SUV for the digital generation.